In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Bible references to cultural concepts that were common to the biblical world, then how to track down additional references in ancient literature. In the previous lesson, Dr. Bach highlighted the importance of understanding the context for each biblical passage. Without a careful consideration of terms, acts, concepts, and sayings from the biblical world, it can be easy to misread a text. But Logos makes it easier than ever to track down cultural concepts mentioned across your Bible and in other ancient texts. For example, in John chapter 2, Jesus attends a wedding at Cana. Here we find several cultural concepts that are somewhat foreign to the modern reader, like ancient Near Eastern weddings, wine, and the title Master of the Feast. We need to do some investigation on some of these concepts, so first let's open up a passage guide and type John 2, 1 through 12 in the passage box, then press Enter. When the report generates, scroll down and expand the Cultural Concepts section. Here you can see cultural concepts that Logos has tagged in this passage, which include miracle, wedding, and wine. Each concept is listed in blue, followed by a concise definition. Below that, there's a hierarchy of related entities. For example, wedding is an abstract entity, but it's more specifically categorized as an event. If we click on the cultural concept for wedding, Logos opens a factbook report on this concept. If we scroll down, we can see more information about ancient weddings. In addition to the material we read in the passage guide, the factbook report lists biblical references to weddings, as well as references to this concept in ancient literature.